This video guys, I'll be telling you how to soft reset an iPad. To do that guys, first of all you have to press and quickly release the volume up button, and similarly you have to press and quickly release the volume down button. Actually it's here. Now after this, finally press and hold the uh, volume of this top button, this power button guys, and until you see the Apple logo. So you have to just keep holding, the volume, this part top button and one of the volume button guys. Press both buttons simultaneously and until you see the Apple logo, and this will reset your iPad guys as a soft reset. So yeah, hope you like it guys. If I have more video, bye bye.